Our replacement bulbs have been long renowned for their ultimate brightness and performance. And here at XKGLOW, we are constantly searching for ways to push those limits even further. Today, I am proud to introduce our most advanced replacement bulb lighting solution yet. This is our Platinum Series. I'm Riley with XKGLOW, and yes, you guessed it. Our Platinum Series bulbs are the brightest bulbs we have ever made and give you an insane amount of performance enhancement over halogen. But to be honest with you, it isn't very hard to make an LED bulb brighter than a halogen, which poses a great question. If most LEDs are brighter than halogens, what makes our Platinum Series bulbs better? Well, I'm glad you asked. But before I answer, it is important to note that all LED bulbs are not legal to swap out as headlight bulbs in the United States. These bulbs are intended to be used as fog light replacements and in true off-road applications. So with that being said, let's get into it. Our Platinum Series is made up of 100-watt LED bulbs that pack a whopping 8,000 lumen output. That is a whole lot of power, a whole lot of brightness, and a whole lot of heat. And as I said, it's not super hard to make an LED bulb brighter than a halogen, but the number one failure of LED bulbs is overheating. So just because a bulb is bright doesn't mean it's high quality and definitely does not mean it's going to last. This is why our Platinum Series contains the most advanced cooling technology we have ever developed, and it's also why all of our LED bulbs are covered under our 5-year warranty, because we know what it takes to build a high-quality LED bulb, and we know how to make them last. So let me introduce to you a key component of our Platinum Series bulbs, our thermal force system, a cooling architecture composed of 3 major components. First, a high-force fan actively draws in cool air while exhausting heat. This is paired with an oil-cooled copper core. By hollowing out the copper and adding specialized oil, we've significantly increased heat conductivity. The final piece of the puzzle is our hyperfin cooling system, unique to the Platinum Series. This finned aluminum cylinder supercharges the entire process by optimizing airflow from the fan, allowing the internal oil to cool faster and keeping your lights running at maximum efficiency. So even though the bulb's initial wattage is 100 watts, once the operating temperature is established, the wattage is lowered down to 65 watts. All right, all of that science to say, our Platinum Series LED bulbs are a great replacement option that is truly built to last. We offer these bulbs in even more sizes than before, ensuring that there is a direct fit for everyone. So whether it's a fog light upgrade to get you through the storm or your guide through the night when off-roading, the Platinum Series bulbs deliver results every single time. If you're interested in our new Platinum bulbs, be sure to head on over to xkglow.com, choose your bulb, install it, and let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, drop a like if you've enjoyed this video, and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Follow us across all of our social media platforms, and we will see you in the next video.